This is the Iron Trader. The pits just closed here about 8 minutes ago, so we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your weekly and your monthly chart. Now, on your monthly chart, nothing's really happening because we just started the month here. But again, you're above your 100, your 50, your 200-day, and your key 8 SMA here at 76.40. Now, these are going to be your support levels. Now, on the upside, right here at the top of this candle, 83.53. That needs to be closed over. If it does, your big target here is going to be 86.25. But before we get there, we look at that 83.53. We look at this 100 SMA right here, okay? So you're sitting at 85.51. That is going to be your first target, and then your 21-day here on your monthly will be your second target at 86.25. Now, if you can close above that, then I'll have everything posted to you exactly where we're going to go. Now, here on the downside, always watch this key 50 SMA here. Very key, that's 78.27. Below that, you have your 8 SMA, 76.53, and then we have 75 flat on your 21-day. Everything is crossed, looking very good. All these green candles, very, very bullish. The key is going to be this 83.53. Okay, let's take a look here on a daily chart. All right, here we have your daily chart. I've been pointing out this candle right here, 83.53. All the way when we lift on this bottom, I said we can keep on rolling up, rolling up. Okay, if you can get past this key 200 SMA, this candle right here, that's your target. Well, we came pretty close. You came at, close. You exceeded it at 84.89. However, it doesn't seem like you can really hold it right now. However, now you look at today's sell down, it held holding this key 8 SMA. The key is not during the day, okay, intraday. It's closing above. That is good. That is always the key. So what you want to do is on the downside, you want to watch this key 8 SMA here. And then what we want to do is watch today's low. Okay, you're sitting at 82.23. Now again, that's lost. Then we come over here. You got 81.52 on this candle here. You got 80.59 here. And then we have this candle right here, which is at 79.90. Very, very key level because it lined up perfectly with this top of this candle here at 79.90, which held really support. So right here, this 79.73, very, very key level. If that 79.90 is lost, that's what you'll be looking at. And then if that 21 is lost, then we look right here to this 200 SMA. You're sitting at 76.78. And then you can come all the way down here to your 50-day, 74.78. And then you have your 100 SMA here sitting at 74.73. But you notice that your 8-day still right above nicely, 21-day right above nicely, and now your 50-day just crossed your 100-day, looking for that 200. Still a very, very bullish pattern. The key is a close above this 83.53, and then next is going to be this 84.89, and then we go to the 100 SMA here on your weekly chart, and then your 21 SMA here on your monthly chart. Those are your upside targets. Now, again, I still want to point out here this negative divergence here, okay? That's really not good. See, you have a high here, and then you have a lower high here. But when you look at it, you take it right to the top here, you got a high, and then you got a higher high. See how positive is this here? Negative divergence here, okay? That's not really good. See, like right here, okay, you had a high, and then you made a higher high, but you made a higher high also here on your RSI. So always keep in mind, always watch your RSI and your MACD. Now, your MACD, well, you know, if that green line crosses below that red line, that's really not good because you look what happened here, then we look what happened here, okay? So that is going to be the key here for going into next week here is holding this key 8 SMA here and then holding this key 21 SMA here if that 8 SMA is lost. But always watch your RSI, your MACD, and your volume. Okay, let's take a look here on the old natty gas. Okay, here's natty gas, all right? Well, you really broke out here from a nice head and shoulders pattern. Went right on up here, but then again, see how this candle is here? You double top, and then came all the way down. Now the key is you're holding this key 200 SMA here, sitting at 2.68. Next one you got to watch out here for basically here is this 8 SMA here. Okay, you're looking at 2.75, and then on the upside you're looking for the 21-day 2.77. If you can get above, you look to this 100 SMA here, and then you look for the retest there at 2.83, and then you look for your 50-day 2.85 if you can break above that key price channel right there, sitting at 2.83. Now, on your 4-hour chart here, you look at the 2.77, that 8 SMA here. See, it's a very, very key level here where you can go into it and then it comes down into it, then it goes down. But if you can get above, then we look for your 21-day here, sitting at 2.83. Then we can rally all the way back up here to this 3.01. All right, let's take a look here on a daily and a weekly. All right, here you have your daily, and then right there is your weekly chart. Now, I've been pointing out this candle here forever. This is sitting at 3.027. You got as high as 3.018 here, so that was a really nice double top, and that told me to sell. Now today, if you look at it, today was a good buying opportunity. I scalped actually UNG there today. I scalped it. You didn't get a whole lot. Of course, you don't need a whole lot because I'm trading 10,000 shares. Okay, so if you, what did I get out of there? Okay, I got 20 cents out of that today. So that was actually a good trade when you're trading that kind of buying because the price is low. It's sitting at right now at 7.44. Okay, so here's what we look at here is on the downside, you want to look at this key 8 SMA, 2.71 right below it is 2.66. That's your 21-day. And then you have your 50-day 2.58. Then you have your retest here at 2.45. So you have really good support underneath. So on Monday, what you want to do is look to the top of today's candle sitting at 2.833. And then if you can get above that, this is a good candle you're going to want to look for at 2.87. And then we can rally up here at 3.018. The key is going to be a close above this candle right here at 3.027. If you can close above, then here's your target right here. This 200 SMA, right, basically sitting at 3.39. Above that, right here, 3.76. That's your upside targets. Okay, so it's a very, very easy trade. So remember, on Monday here, always look at the day before's candle, see where it's going to go. So today on this candle here, you want to look at the high on Monday at 2.83 and then on a low at 2.70. Now, again, on this UNG, you can trade that 24 hours a day. So if you want to, say, get up in the middle of the night and say, hey, I can see natural gas is moving, believe me, I do a lot of times myself, you can get into that UNG there and because that trades 24 hours. Just like the XLE, that trades as for big oil, that trades same with the USO. That trades 24 hours a day. Okay, so this should take care of you on Monday. Now, again, I always broadcast here on Sunday night at 6 o'clock once the futures are open. We always review crude oil here and natural gas, and we'll get you ready for Monday's trading. All right, thanks for watching.